Okay guys, if you remember last video, I said I'd play this game alone, which was firework play. We've unlocked my favorite item. I just gotta find it. There it is. Real Christmas air balloon. And my favorite thing about this, if you grab this, watch this guys. I'll reload this so it doesn't show that. 3, 2, 1. That's what happens. And it literally jumps over the map. If you guys saw, it just jumped over the map. It's way over there now. It's gone. Forever. Guys, if you're wondering, I've tried to destroy that tree. I'm going to try the pro version, which might cost an ad, so see ya.
Are you a
Okay, guys, I exited the ad, so yeah. So, back to what I was saying. I wanted to try and do the, thing where you destroy the tree, but you can't. Look, I literally just shot a literal gun at a tree. And one time I actually just did this. Out of here right now. Fly. Pretty much fly. I gotta jump. Yeah, guys, this is how I get out of here. I just try jumping until I'm out, but I don't know how, but I float now. I tried to fly up now, right now. I've tried to, and look, I'll show you guys. The tree's still alive. Look at that little flame. Guess what that flame's on? And I'll show you guys. The tree's still alive. No matter what, guys, the tree's still alive. You can't beat the tree. Take off. Now I should be shot. Look, the tree's still alive. I literally summoned a literal nuke on it. Yeah, guys, this tree's invincible, I think. I literally tried to summon this cannon. Literally under it. Look, guys, I'll show you. Whee! Oh, it shoots that way. I think it goes right here. And then you gotta... Look, the tree just bounced off the bullet, I guess. Look, look. It just shot right through the tree. It's invincible. And I've also tried to do this. This was what I've done a lot of times. That TNT boom inside of that cannon. I actually tried to do this one time. It works. Or maybe it works. I don't know. Is that how it works? I think I lit the TNT. Did you literally see that? I just lit a bomb on it. Literally, that's the worst part. I literally just lit a bomb on the literal TNT. Look! Watch, guys. Bruh. This tree's invincible. I know it now. What about the spaceship? Are you invincible? Can I shoot you? And grab my favorite weapon and it just does that. Okay. What if I try and do that? Reload. Shoot! That freaked me out in real life. Okay, these are the things that you guys never got to see, I think. Like this. A few things. There was a lot, though. Guys, if you're wondering, look what I did. But I gotta show you guys. So if you guys ever played this game, then you guys would know what this is. Bingo. The bingo is like a type of thing. Oh, I got paused here because of an ad. Bye. Okay, guys, if you're wondering what I have right here, it's the bingo I was talking about. Why did I have to do This always does this. It was literally made to do it. Which I will not use the lighter this time, so then it won't do the weird thing I just did. I'll shoot it with my gun. Okay. So look, so you place it. Now I can just do this. Move as far as you want. This thing is the most powerful weapon. Okay. Well, that's for the pro version, I guess. I just unlocked everything in the pro version, so yeah, whatever. I guess everything in the pro version is now mine. Strong hand. I'll try it out.
How to find your perfect apartment using the Redfin app.
Yeah.
First, choose if you're renting or buying.
Okay, guys, I did it. Now I have strong hand. I don't know what this does. Can I go anything cool? My gun can go under the map, I guess. Can I throw nukes? Strong hand. Keep. How do you throw stuff? Did I just place a nuke for no reason? Guys, I'm gonna have to run. My dot's on it, so I should be safe. Shoot it from here. Shoot! Guys, never do this at home. I'm just playing it in a game. Never actually do this. Never actually summon a nuke in your house. My favorite's the nuke craft because it's like a set that you have to find stuff, which... Please tell me you can at least shoot this. Hopefully you can. No! I summoned a nuke area where I can't even grab stuff. Nuke craft summoned right here. That one's not gone, but this one is. I mean, this one's good. My favorite thing is you can pick up these spear, wheel, and you gotta do like a little fix thing. Fix. And like that. Where's that go? Oh. Okay, guys, I built the nuke. You created a nuke. I'll collect that. Now we have that thing to deal with. Okay, guys, that will be the end of the video for today. I'll see you guys next video, I guess, with my friend Wesley again. And on next day, I guess I'll play with my dad again. See you later.